The liver is the only organ in our body that can completely regenerate itself, meaning even if up to 90% of it is removed in case of surgery, for example, it can grow back to its original size. It has an amazing ability to recover, but it can only heal if we stop destroying it. Without even realizing it, most of us do things that cause massive liver damage. I'm Ozbek, and today we're going to talk about the 6 most common things destroying our liver and exactly how to fix them. But first we need to understand, how do we even know if our liver is already in trouble? Because catching these symptoms early can make a huge difference in how your liver is treated. First, let's look at the early stage symptoms. Fatigue and weakness are often the very first sign that your liver isn't functioning well. A general feeling of tiredness and low energy can be an early warning sign. Another early symptoms is mild discomfort or pain in the upper right side of your belly. You might also notice changes in your urine and stool color, like lighter stool and darker urine. This happens when the liver starts struggling to process bilirubin. If liver disease progresses to an advanced stage, the symptoms become much more severe. You might see jaundice, which is the yellowing of the skin and eyes. You could experience severe belly pain and swelling, or even itchy skin caused by bile products building up. Unexplained weight loss is another red flag. Surprisingly, you might even feel pain in your right shoulder, which is caused by nerve irritation under your diaphragm. Now, having one of these symptoms doesn't automatically mean your liver is failing. They can be related to other health conditions, so don't panic. But if you have several of them with no clear explanation, it is a good idea to see a doctor and get a proper check. So now that we understand the warning sign, what actually causes the damage? Here are the 6 things that harm your liver. Number 1, obesity. Being obese or even overweight increases the risk of developing a fatty liver. This can lead to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Normally, the liver has a small amount of fat, and that's totally fine. But if fat makes up more than 5 to 10% of the liver weight, it's considered a fatty liver. The good news is that losing weight plays a massive role in reducing liver fat. Studies show that combining aerobic exercise with strength training physically burns triglycerides and reduces liver fat. Number 2, alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol is the leading cause of liver damage. This habit leads to conditions like fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Moderation is key here. Limiting how much alcohol you drink can significantly reduce your risk, but completely avoiding alcohol is ideal, especially for people with a family history of liver disease. Number 3, an unhealthy diet. You need to avoid meals that are high in calories, saturated fat, and refined carbs like white bread, white rice, regular pasta, and too much added sugar. Instead, make sure to eat fiber from fresh fruit, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit your red meat consumption and include good fats, mainly from nuts, seeds, fish, and fruits like avocado. And remember, drinking enough water is absolutely important. Number 4, overuse of medication. Using painkillers frequently for a long time, even those over the counter, can seriously harm the liver. Other medication can also cause damage, like certain types of antibiotics, cholesterol-lowering drugs, and even taking too many supplements like vitamins and minerals. The best thing to do is stick to exact dosage your doctor recommended and always consult with them before starting new supplements. Number 5, environmental toxins. This is sometimes overlooked, but long-term exposure to certain industrial chemicals like strong cleaning products and chemicals at work can cause hidden liver damage. Always use protective equipment when you're handling chemicals and minimize your exposure to known toxins whenever possible. Number 6, autoimmune diseases. In conditions like autoimmune hepatitis, the body's own immune system attacks the liver cells, leading to damage. While preventing autoimmune diseases may not always be possible, regular monitoring and proper medical treatment can help manage the condition successfully. I hope I managed to explain a little more about the liver and how to prevent damage. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like so I will know it's a new channel. So I'm inviting you to join the channel. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer in the comments. Thank you for watching.